First, take your invoice. Have the purchase invoice of your items and be ready. Once logged in, go to the sidebar and select the Products and Services tab. Click the Create Product button located on the Products and Services page. Then, navigate through the General Information and Accounting tabs. Enter the relevant product and accounting details in the respective fields. After successfully creating the product, the details and the product itself will be displayed in the Products and Services window. Finally, finalize GRN. Therefore, select New GRN. Add the supplier and enter the remaining details as required. Click Save to complete the process. You successfully finish the process.